Hey guys, welcome again to Tika's Kitchen. Today I would like to introduce to you a special dessert that we normally have in Guyana at least quite a few times of the year. Cornbread, Fattop, whatever you want to call it. But I'm really excited to make this and have my kids to try it because they never had it. Something that I grew up eating in Guyana, and I myself haven't had it in a long time. So let's go through the steps and make this delicious dessert. 1 full can of coconut milk. I'll put some water in here. We'll just do half a glass of water. Just give that a stir, mix everything, the water and the coconut together. See, it's still nice, thick and creamy. Now we'll put the sugar in there so it could get melted. Half cup of sugar. See, it's melted already. I will do 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Give that a whisk. This is absolutely simplest ingredient, and if you try this you will be surprised at that coconut cornbread. Really delicious. Now I'll add, this is 1 cup of cornmeal, so I'll add 1 cup of cornmeal. Just go slowly and just whisk it in. Okay, let's keep mixing this. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay guys, this is all mixed, nice and creamy. Again, you could just taste it, just take a little taste to see how sweet you like yours. Like I said, I only put half cup of sugar here, and if you want it more sweet you can do that. You can add more sugar, you can add more vanilla, however. Okay, it's all ready to go into the baking pan. See that? Okay. Good. I used the 12 by 12 pan, so it's layered really thin. I'm putting mine at 300 for 40 minutes. Now you can adjust your heat, just check on it to see how well it's baked. Okay guys, this is all done. Beautiful, beautiful color. And let's see. Oh, that's very, very creamy. See that? Oh, look at that. I'm worried how to pick this up, but let me just pick up a slice. It's very thin, but look how much cream from 1 cup of coconut milk. See that? That's the corn right there, and that's the cream on the top. Coconut milk is very healthy for you. It's not a problem using coconut milk. Now the sugar might be a whole different thing if you're diabetic. Please adjust to your sugar. You can use other sweetening to this, but look at this, guys. Haven't had this in years. This is really creamy, really delicious. I'm so happy about this. And all done in 45-50 minutes. You can do this prep really quick and serve your guests. I promise you, your guests would love this. Love this. Now I'll show you another video of making my jalapeno, yes, jalapeno cornbread. Cheers again. Jalapeno cornbread. So with that mixture is also very simple. you guys, this is all done. See, beautiful cornbread. I should say spicy cornbread. And there you go. All done. So here you have breakfast, and you also have a cornmeal appetizer. Let me break into one of them. Look at that. Flavor of cilantro and jalapeno. Very delicious. All right, enjoy your breakfast and appetizer.